Hello, how are you, dear Bengali learners? In this part, we learn a new word, and the previous lesson we learned a very rare sound. It is called re, and we also read the words. One is reen, it's mean loan in English, and second one is ritu. Ritu it's mean season in Bengali. So in this part, we'll learn a new word and also the pronunciation of new alphabet. This is the symbol of this new alphabet. We can call it A, 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 A. The sound is A, like day, like we can say, call it day, day. The sound is like this, A, like this, A, like this. And here's given the example: ek, 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 ek. Ek mean one. We can call it ek. This is A and it is called like ek. We can call it ek. It's mean one. Ek, it's mean one. And this is the number. So here is given just one example, and the second one is desh. This is the short form. This is the short form of A. This is the short form of A. This is A, and this is the short form of A. This is the short form of A. The word is desh. De ish, ish, de ish, desh. It's mean country. So if you want to say someone in Bengali, desh, it's mean country. Desh mean country. And I think you guys know this is the flag of Bangladesh, and we got victory in 1971. And this is our national flag, and desh mean country. So today here, and see you the next video. And if you don't subscribe my channel, just subscribe. And if you don't watch the video, I mean the previous one, you can go the playlist and watch.